It's safe to say that some of the drill presses in the Woodsmith magazine shop see quite a bit of use. And a couple of our drill presses have what you'd call high mileage. As a result, the rack that controls the lift mechanism for the height adjustment on the table has flexed away from the column. That can cause it to slip or spin or not work right at just the wrong times. Well, one of our craftsmen came up with the best kind of solution, inexpensive and easy to execute. What he did was took a hose clamp and wrapped it around both the rack and the column. And when you tighten it in place, you just tighten it enough to take the flex out of the rack and hold it to the column. That way, the drill press works just the way it should. It'd be a great solution if you have an older drill press in your shop.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Now, every week we're adding great woodworking tips and woodworking videos. All you have to do is hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.